This is how to record and edit this kind of Superman landing effect video. If today is your first time of coming across my page or any of my videos, do well to give me a follow for more tutorial videos like this. Let's go to the screen.
Alright, what you need to do is to head over to CapCut, launch it, you come over to new project, click on it, it will take you to your gallery, then you swipe down until you get to the video that you want to work on, click on add button, then in this very first, then have the video highlighted and swipe to the end and click on freeze to freeze the empty background. Okay, so the next thing which you need to do, you swipe the video to the action part like this, okay, and have it highlighted. Click on split here to delete, to split the video, then you come over to the unwanted part of it, have it highlighted and click on delete to have the video deleted. Now leaving behind the empty background and the action bar. Okay, now this is what you will do. Click the action bar, then swipe to overlay, click on it, take the video forward. Okay, let it be like this, then trace the video, the overlaid one, to know when your feet is about to land like this, then have it highlighted, come to split here and split it again. Okay, at this point you have to widen your screen so that all of them will appear visible. Come over to this very splitted one to speed. Now click on normal and reduce it to 0.5. okay, it will now appear like this. Still on that very one you reduce to 0.5, head over to remove background. Okay, click on a custom remover, then come to brush, reduce it to 0 as into 1, then come over and then zoom in so that you will get everything zoomed in, then and start brushing. You can see what I'm doing. So once you have everything brushed like this, you click on this very check mark button. Then the next thing which you need to do is to take this one backwards. Okay, like this, click and hold and take it backwards so that two of them will match. Okay, like this. Okay, we have achieved one thing. Then the next thing which you need to do is the moment you landed on the ground, watch what I'm doing. This is the one we are working on now, the second clip. So the moment you landed on the ground properly, split again by highlighting the video and click on the split button here. Come over to the second splitted part of the overlaid video, then swipe to speed, click on normal and take it to 2.2 or 2.3 anyone, and click on check mark button here. Okay, you come over to this third clip of the overlaid and bring it closer like this. Okay, we have achieved another one as well. This is what you will do. Come over to that very first overlaid clip, have it highlighted like this, then you head over to chroma key, this very button here, and then activate it. Take it to the beginning like this, as you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, now this is what you will do. Use your hand to pinch it in and reduce it to the smallest size like this, and you take it up a bit, and then you take it up like this. Use your hands to take it up like this. Okay, activate another keyframe like this. So we have first one inside the bar and second one, so between this and this is the hanging period. Okay, now let's play the video before we continue. Okay, have you seen it now? All right, the moment you got landed, okay, let's leave it like this. Now the next thing which you need to apply is that very dust effect. Okay, how will you do that? Click on add overlay. Okay, then you swipe to this very end, I think this is it. Okay, and have it highlighted. Click on add. Okay, this is the place where you will get this very effect. Go to YouTube and check for dust effect or smoke effect. Okay, and then record it. Okay, you can see that I recorded it using a screen record. The essence of doing that is to avoid having copyright issue. At this point you have to swipe it over to transform. Okay, because we want to reduce the size. Click on resize, then you can see what I am doing. So resize it this way, and then click on this very check mark button to activate it. Now the next thing which you need to do is to remove that very black color inside it. Then click on this very return arrow, then look for splice. This is splice. Click on it, then go for filter, the second box. Okay, click on it. Automatically it has disappeared. Use your hand to take it to your landing space. Okay, then click on this check mark key to return back to editing interface proper. All right, this is perfect. Now it didn't end them. Use your hands to zoom it in to make it appear larger. Let's play the video again from the beginning. Correct. So we have achieved that one. The next thing which you need to do is to highlight it, split, and delete the unwanted part, which is this one. Click on delete here. So we have added that feature. Have you seen it? Correct. So the next thing is to add that electric shock effect. Click on this very add button. It will still take you back to your gallery. So you come to this electric shock effect, okay, which is this. Click on add button. So you can see that I recorded the effect as I did in the dust or smoke effect. So, and I need to remove the unwanted part of it by splitting it. See where I clicked, okay, and I want to remove this side. Highlight and come over to delete and delete it. Click and hold and take it forward to tally with the length of the dust effect. So at this point you need to have it highlighted and swipe to transform, which is this, to reduce the size of it, resize it. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Okay, ask your question if you didn't get my point or explanation clearly. Then once you're done with that, you click on check mark button here, then click on this very arrow to return. Okay, so swipe it to the beginning until you get to splice. Click on splice and click on filter to remove that very black background. Okay, now this is what you will do. Use your hands as well as you did in the dust effect and take it to your landing space. Okay, and click on the check mark button. Let's play the video to know where we will do some adjustment. All right, I think with that we are done with that electric effect. Take it to where the effect ended, like this, and then click on split here and come over to delete button to remove that unwanted part. Now if you look at it, you will know that the effect did not extend to my resting or hanging place. Okay, now what you need to do is to have the effect highlighted and duplicate it. Head over to duplicate, you can see it here, and click on it. Keep extending it until it will. Okay, I think this should be okay. Now highlight this very video bar, split it because it is too long, and delete the unwanted part. Now come over to this very first one. Let's return to the beginning so that you will understand what I'm doing. Come over to the empty background, have it clicked. Come over to that very white portion at the right hand side of it. Click and hold it and extend it to the beginning of the video, to the end of the video. Let it tally like this. Okay, now we have achieved all the achievable. All right, now what that remains is to add that landing sound and that electric sound. So to add that very Superman landing sound, this is what you will do. Okay, I've recorded it from YouTube using a screen record. Click on this very audio. Once you have it clicked, click on the sound, then it will appear like this. Come over to this very memory card logo, then click on extract sound. Okay, now this is what you will do. You come over to that very place you recorded it. This is it. Click on it, click on add to have it extracted. Now this is the extracted sound here. Okay, let's play it to be clear. Very good. This is what you will do. Click on this plus to bring it to the editing interface. This is how to extract sound and add it to your video. Okay, for those that watched to this very point. Okay, click on that very add button. Let's play it. All right, we need to remove some unwanted part of it. Okay, split, highlight, click on delete. At this point we need to take the landing effect sound forward, okay, to tally with this very red line here. Look at it, that very red line, that is where the overlaid video started. Okay, so let's test it. This is perfect. Now the next thing that remains is to add that very electric shock effect. Okay, very good. So is to add that very electric shock effect. This is what you will do. Click on this very arrow to return. Click on it again. Click on this audio. This time we are going to our system memory. Click on sound, then click on this memory logo, then click on device. Once you have it click, swipe to that electric shock. Already I've downloaded it from YouTube. Okay, this is electric shock or electric sound. Very good. Click on this very add button to take it up to this very place. Okay, all right, very good. This is the side that I want. Click on split and then highlight and delete the unwanted part. Click and hold and take it forward to the beginning of that very electric shock effect, which is this. Okay, this is it. So let's play the video before exporting it. This is perfect, very nice. The next thing which you need to do is to click on this very export button to have your video exported directly to your gallery. Please, if you really benefited from this very tutorial, do well to give us a follow, share this video so that others will learn from this. See you in my next video.